5 tips that may help you to get rich. Number 1. Develop a strong work ethic. Cultivate a strong work ethic and a willingness to put in the necessary time and effort to achieve your goals. Success often requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Number 2. Save and invest wisely. Practice disciplined saving and investing. Create a budget to manage your expenses, save a portion of your income, and consider investing in assets that have the potential for growth, such as stocks, real estate, or starting your own business. Number 3. Continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning and personal development. Stay informed about financial matters, seek opportunities to enhance your skills, and adapt to changing market trends. Acquiring knowledge and staying informed can help you make better financial decisions. Number 4. Multiple streams of income. Diversify your income sources to reduce risk and increase your earning potential. Explore different avenues, such as side businesses, investments, or passive income streams, to supplement your primary source of income. Number 5. Network and build relationships. Surround yourself with people who can inspire, support, and mentor you in your financial journey. Networking and building strong relationships can lead to valuable opportunities, collaborations, and access to resources that can contribute to your financial success.